Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. Here you can see this is our device Redmi 5 Rozi. About phone, let's check the specification of this ROM. Here you will get Android version 11, Android R. Here you can see this is the latest version. Here you can see this is the AEX ROM AOSP extended version 8.0 unofficial ROM. Here you can see here you will get a 5 November 2020 security patch. Right now December has been started, but you will get an November security patch. Build date is 2 December. Here you can see Wednesday. Here is the time kernel calf dog. This is the unofficial ROM, not official. Android 11. Let's check the specification and features of this ROM. You will get the permissive. Let's check the Wi-Fi whether it is working or not. Here you can see Wi-Fi works perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect. There is no any issue regarding Wi-Fi. There is no restart, or you can say. Let's check the hotspot. Hotspot also working perfectly. There is no problem in hotspot. You can easily connect in other devices. There is no problem. Now if we talk about the Bluetooth is also working fine. I have already tested the Bluetooth. I have connected the device with my phone. Bluetooth, it works perfectly, no problem, and the battery backup of this ROM is amazing. You can try it for daily use also, but you will feel after installing some apps, you will feel some lag, or there may be some delay in opening apps. These are the features of extension. Here you will get the AX features, battery setting. Here the battery setting, battery bar. Here are the style sorts available. Here the percentage inside next to the icon. You can adjust all the features are working perfectly, no problem. Carrier name and Geo is installed in this some. Here you can see Geo working perfectly, no problem in Geo. You can easily call anybody or receive calls. Here is the carrier level name lock screen. Here you can see you can customize also. You can custom create any name, or you can type any name TC. Here you can see tag custom. It works perfectly, no problem. Here is the clock setting also. You can enable the clock. I have turned off the clock. You can choose according to your use. Status bar item. Here are the status bar item. There is no option of a volt icon enabling from here. You can enable from let's say here is the traffic indicator. You can enable the traffic indicator, and the net is working perfect, no problem in internet connection. You can easily enjoy the speed. Here you can see status bar expanded. Here you will get, here you can see you can choose according to your use, whether dynamic download, both combined also available. You can see if you want to hide arrow, you can also hide the arrows. Here the miscellaneous AES logo. If you want to enable AES logo, so you can enable 4G icon instead of LTE also working. Here is the volt icon. You can enable the volt icon. If volt is not coming in your device, you can easily enable it. This is for the icon only, and the volt is perfectly working, no problem. Here is the notification kill app button is also available in this ROM. Notification, this is the notification kill app. Here you will get the notification kill all notification button. Here heads up is also working perfectly, no problem in heads up. You can easily work it easily works, no problem. Make heads up less annoying. If you feel annoying with the heads up, you can enable it. Vibration is also working perfectly. Navigation bar vibration is also working perfectly. Here is the quick settings, vibrate on touch. You can feel the vibration when you enable the QS styles. It works perfectly. Here is the slider also. Adaptive brightness button is also available. Here you can see here is the button. You can enable directly from here. Edit icon is also available. Here is the edit icon. Here you can see quick pull down is also available. Smart pull down is also available. By the notification, no dismissible, no notification. You can change according to your use. Here the sleep animation, QS animation है, देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. If I enable it, you can, here you can see it works perfectly. Animation, you can accelerate or decelerate. Here you can see. Let's add the navigation bar. You can enable the navigation bar from here. Layout, you can change the layout also from if you want to enable gestures, you can enable the gesture from advanced settings. Here is the lock screen shortcut. Here is the lock screen tuner. You can change according to your use. Here is the lock screen UI. Fingerprint authorization vibration also working perfectly in fingerprint, no problem. Double tap to wake, double tap to sleep from the status bar is also working perfectly. Double tap to, here you can see double tap to sleep is also working from lock screen. Double tap to wake. Here is the double tap to wake. Here is the power menu option. Here you can see these are the options available. All the sensors are working perfectly My device, here you can see battery charging animation. Light is also 100% working, no problem in light. Low battery light, notification light, everything working fine. Customization, here is the customization. You can customize your theme according to your use. Here you can see, let me change. Here is the black icon. You can change the from black or any other icon. Here you can see, you can change the color also. It works perfectly. Here is the red also, red or maroon. You can see. Here is the red. Here you can see dark red. Schedule, you can enable the dark theme also. Here you can enable. Here you can change the dark theme also. Light theme, you want to enable the light theme only. Elegant UI is also available. Black, for pure black, here is the pure black. Here is the status bar icon. You can change the status bar icon also. It works perfectly, no problem. Setting dashboard icon is also working perfectly. Font is also working perfectly. There are the fonts. Here you can see these are the fonts. I have already applied the Roboto font. QI styles is also working perfectly. These QI styles is the main setting icon. Lock screen style, here you can see Samsung Bold is enabled. Here you can see here is the Samsung. Here you can see it lags, sometimes it lags. Here you can Samsung Bold. Here are the buttons. Power menu buttons is also available. You can choose log out. You enable according to your use. Show panel on the left is also available. You can switch music control. Torch control is also available. It works perfectly, no problem. Swap buttons when the screen is rotated. Volume rocker से वेग भी हो जाएगा, ये आप देख सकते हो. Each and every features are working perfectly. 3-finger screenshot is also working perfectly. Here you can see it works perfectly. Charging animation. Here is the toast icon also. Gaming mode is also there. You can enable the sensors according to use ring vibration. During gaming mode you can change. Dynamic mode also available. Great tweaks is here is the great tweaks. And the battery performance is good in this ROM. You can enable the charging percentage also. It was perfectly. Battery temperature, let me show you the battery if it is available. Usage last full hour for 39 minutes हो गया मुझे यूज़ करते वैसे. 25 डिग्री यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर है हमारा. Let's hit the display. Here the display brightness level is also working perfectly, no problem in brightness level. Here you can see it works perfectly smoothly. Adaptive brightness is also working perfectly. Night light is also working perfectly. You can set the intensity also. It works smoother. Lock screen, here is the always on display. Always on display is also available in this ROM. Here you can see this is the always on display. It works perfectly. There is no restart, or you can enjoy the always on display without any trouble. Wake for notification is also working perfectly. When you receive the notification, your lock screen will wake. Pocket detection, here is the pocket detection. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the video. Link will be in the description. 8.72 GB storage is available. I have installed the 3D benchmark test also. We will also check this test. Fingerprint is also available in this ROM, but face unlock is not available. You will miss the face unlock in this ROM. Next, let's have the sensor test also. Fingerprint vibration is working perfectly, no problem in vibration. You can easily enable the vibration. Here is the vibration. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Tap नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे. Tap open. Here you can see speed is average. Speed is not fast. Fingerprint speed is not fast as like other ROMs, but it's average. You can, if you like the fingerprint, you can install this ROM. Google account, here is the Google account. You have to flash open gaps separately as it is not installed in this ROM, pre-installed. Here is the system. Here is the gestures also available. 3-button gestures. Here is the navigation gestures. There is no 2-button gestures available in this ROM. Missing 2-button gestures. Power menu is also available. Here you can see reset option, developer option enabled in this ROM. I have not enabled this. Let's cancel it. Reset option is also available. You can reset from RP only. Here are the few apps available in this ROM. Let's check the safety net, whether it passes or not. Run test. Here you can see safety net status running. Here you can see our Redmi 5 safety net is failed. Safety net compatibility test is failed. Success. Safety net request is success. Overall it is failed. Sometimes there may be problem in using banking apps, but our GUI is working perfectly. It is not showing your device is rooted. Let's check the root also, if root is available in this ROM or not. Sorry, root is not installed. Here are the few Here you can see this is the Geo application I have installed in this ROM. It works perfectly, no problem. I have already tested each and every ROM. If you want to add any other application or any other review, you can comment down below. You can enter the number also. It works perfectly. Here you can see I have successfully logged in Geo application. It works perfectly, no problem in Geo application. You can easily use Geo application in this ROM. Let's head then to the benchmark test whether how much is the score, how is the performance of this. Here you can see 87,190 38 score, 38,000 CPU performance, GPU performance is 94, memory performance you can see average. I would like to say that the score is average, not best according to other ROMs. Here you can see 1.8 degree happy increase your temperature, 2% battery drop in this ROM. Here you can see these are the tests. It is 26.2 degree यहाँ पे temperature, battery temperature, CPU temperature 31, पहले 33 था अभी. If you want to install this ROM, you can simply watch the video of the installation in the description, or all the downloads link will be in the description. But first you have to format the data, then you have to wipe all the data, all the 5 items, then you have to install this ROM, or you can select the gaps whether you want to install or not, which gaps you have to install. I have used flame gaps in my device. You can choose according to your use. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.